for Star Wars Rise of Skywalker. We've been waiting 9 days for the 9th episode of the show.
I've been here for 5 days now.
This is the 8th time I've lined up in front of the theater. This is the best place in the world to see a movie.
There's no other place that you should see Star Wars.
I brought my little pop-up museum here. You come to the movie, you see the collection. We've got some great events tonight, including a costume contest. This is where all the people can let down their garb and be a Jedi or be a Princess Leia. We're going to do a lightsaber tribute to Carrie. I brought my lightsaber also. Had to dust it off a little bit, but I brought it out just for this occasion.